Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a business bank account in Côte d'Ivoire. So here I will just go to google.com. So here I will directly search for top business bank in your Côte d'Ivoire. So here we have the list. Okay. So here we can see the list of top business bank in Côte d'Ivoire. Then we have here. So I will just go to their official website as your Central African states. Okay, so here I will just go to their website. Okay, so here we can see at the right side we have to select these our countries. So I will just select over these. Okay, so here at the main office you can just note the address and you can directly visit and you can open it. So opening opening an account in here will be required a minimum age of 18. You should have at least the business legally registered with the uh, like with the state or with your country, and you should have much detail, like if you're a partner then partnership detail and the detail will be required. So this is how to open a bank account in your Côte d'Ivoire business bank account. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.